Do you think it is difficult to find top quality companies to invest in? Not anymore. You don't need to know anything about investing, financial analysis, business ratios, or any of that junk. At Will the Geek, we use computers to do all the analysis for you. All you have to do is click a couple of buttons, choose a company, and make money. Hi, I'm Arbel at Will the Geek, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to find great investment opportunities with just a few clicks of the mouse. Here's how. First, you will need to log in. Go to the website at willthegeek.com. Select Login. Enter your email and password. Check the Remember Me box, and then click the Login button. On the home page, go to the Start Here tab. Select Members or Premium, and then select a strategy that meets your investment style. Let's say you want to find companies that pay dividends. Select Premium, then Dividend. That's it! You now have a list of top quality companies that pay dividends. They are ordered by highest dividend to lowest. Look down the list. Find a company and price you like, click the Select link on the left, and you get all the details about the company. It really is that simple. I will explain the company detail page in another video, but it's just as easy as this one. Again, I'm Arbel for Will the Geek. I hope you find picking stocks is as easy as I have. I wish you all the success. Bye for now. See you soon.